Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Indices Watch. I would just like to start today's video by saying a massive thank you to you all for having the patience with myself and posting videos over the past couple of days. As I told you on the Telegram group chat, I actually had one of my first family holidays in probably over 12 months, which was really really nice just to go away, recharge my batteries and just have a nice relaxed time. But I'm back. I arrived 2 days ago. I'm struggling a little bit with the jet lag because I've been traveling from Dubai to basically New York and now New York back to UK. So my time schedule is all over the shop, and of course I've got lots of work to be doing on the side. So thank you very much for your patience, but things should get back to normal from now onwards. Let's have a look at the indices today. So we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 and the S&P 500 price charts. Let's start off on a positive note. S&P 500, we achieved our take profit all the way up at 4,740. So very happy with that. Well done to everyone who managed to close that trade in profit. That was a nice move we saw last week. Of course, we have continued to see volatility. I think it was the last video when I did say that I do expect the volatility to continue up until probably the start of January. As you all know, you may have heard me refer to this volatility as the yo-yo markets, because one day we're up, the next day we're down, the next day we're up again. So it's very hard to kind of predict where the markets will be from a day-to-day basis, and I still expect this to continue, especially as we continue to see this variance spreading rapidly. We're getting more and more news out by the Fed in terms of policy, whether that's tapering or interest rate hikes. And of course, we had that conference midweek last week, which caused a lot of volatility in the market. Initially we were down, then the conference happened, and then the stock market was up, and then of course on Thursday and Friday we've just seen a massive breakdown. But that Fed conference ultimately was what caused our trade to go up and hit its take profit price, and this was due to the fact traders heard comments about we will get free interest rates hikes within the next 18 months. But the good news is that we will definitely not get one during the tapering process. So that takes us out until March. So I think investors like this certainty that we're not going to get an interest rate until March, and investors kind of know what's going to happen over the throughout the next 18 months. It kind of takes that uncertainty away, which I think investors appreciate a lot. But of course, we did return back down towards the 50-day EMA. And if you are on Telegram, you'll see that I've just posted out a signal which I would like you to all open at the open, which is tomorrow evening, of course, on Sunday. So when the future markets open the S&P 500, I have put a buy position. So moving over to the Nasdaq100 struggling. We still haven't really attempted those previous all-time highs up at 16,750, and of course that 17,000 mark, and we have fallen back towards a 50-day EMA. It's quite common for the Nasdaq100 to briefly fall, drop below that 50-day EMA, and then eventually recover. So I'm not too worried that we did get the daily and the weekly close below that 50-day EMA. But what I'm looking for is, can we start this week strong? Can we trade back into positive territory? Of course, we opened this trade up at around 16,050. That's what I'm looking for going into this week. I'm looking for a recovery here in the Nasdaq100. But again, we've got a very far take profit and quite a deep stop loss. And this is due to the fact I fully anticipate the volatility here in the markets to continue. So it just covers us on both sides. And it just makes the whole process of this signal a lot less stressful. So hopefully we can see a recovery here for the Nasdaq100. I actually don't mind time just ticking along nicely, because as you can see, we've been trading in this uptrend, and the further that we trade along here in terms of time, the more higher that supported uptrend comes. So if you see in that comparison where our stop loss is to meet the uptrend line, it takes us through to about the 6th of January. So if we can trade past there, even if we drop below in negative territory here during our signal, if we can meet and find support at that uptrend, then that's very positive going forward. So I would like to see the Nasdaq100 return into positive territory. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. How it works is really simple. We have 2 subscription plans. First one is a monthly fee of $19.99, and the second plan is only $209.99 for a year's subscription. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis analysis videos, as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.